free gems, so stick around till the end. Stop. Want free gems in EvoWorld.io right now? I'll show you 6 legit ways to snag them fast. Gem stop. Want free gems in EvoWorld.io right now? I'll show you 6 legit ways to snag them fast. Gem, number 1. Daily login rewards. Log in every day. EvoWorld often gives gems for streaks or seasonal login events. Don't miss those daily pop-ups. Number 2. Quests and limited time events. Play the event modes and finish the tasks. Developers love rewarding players with gem packs for milestones. Number 3. Official codes. Follow EvoWorld's Twitter, Discord, Instagram and check pinned messages. The team posts redeem codes during updates and live streams. I'll show where to look in the description. Watch ads, optional offers in-game. It's boring, but a few taps equals free gems without spending real money. Thanks for watching. Play fair, grab those free gems, and I'll see you in the next EvoWorld video. Gaming Legend 333, out. Video game gem.